everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus Zinc 1% serum. Now this is my first niacinamide serum. I did a lot of research on niacinamide and I checked a lot of videos and read a lot of articles, and then I thought to invest in a niacinamide serum. So when you're thinking of buying serums and something like niacinamide or HA, BHA or something like this, then what better than Ordinary, because it's one of the best brands in the world to get good serums and toners and all. So I got Ordinary niacinamide serum and I've been trying this for a month now, and I cannot wait to tell you guys my observations on this serum. So without any further ado, let's get started. This serum retails for 1650 rupees in India, and I purchased it from an Instagram site, and I'm going to link her page in the description box below. I'm pretty much new to niacinamide because this is the first time I'm using niacinamide in my life, and I have researched a lot about it before buying it, and there are a lot of things that I have to tell you guys and also my observations on this serum. Let's begin with the fact that what is niacinamide? Niacinamide is basically vitamin B3 which builds cells in the skin, protecting from sunlight, pollution and toxins. It helps skin to recover from severe acne and inflammations. It mainly regulates the oil production in the skin, which eventually gets reduced, which is very beneficial for oily skin type. It minimizes fine lines and wrinkles that comes with aging, but yeah, it reduces a little bit. It minimizes the appearance of pores. It helps in water retention of your skin, which basically helps with everything because it keeps the hydration intact in your skin. That makes your skin function well. I use this serum twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. In the morning I use my toner, then vitamin C serum, and then niacinamide, and then my moisturizer and sunscreen. At night I only use this serum and I go back to bed. I'm sure a lot of you would be wondering how come I'm mixing niacinamide with vitamin C serum, because they mix up to create some niacetonic acid or something and cause itchy sensation in the skin, causing some acid production or something inside your skin. But believe me, nothing is gonna happen like that, because I've read a lot of articles on that and I have seen a lot of videos, and I concluded that they do not react. However, as per a very old article published in 1960s, they used a very unstable form of vitamin C and very unstable form of niacinamide and mixed it in a very high temperature, which formed niacetonic acid. Now, unless you're someone who is doing your skincare in an oven or you keep your skincare in an oven, it is not going to react like that. And back then there were very unstable forms of vitamin C and niacinamide, and these days the niacinamide and vitamin C that we use on our skincare is very stable. The best part that I felt about Ordinary is it's very straight. There is no claims, there is no your skin will flourish, you'll look amazing, your skin will glow within a day or something like that. The Ordinary is a very straightforward brand. They will just tell you the ingredients of the product directly, niacinamide and zinc, so you can decide for yourself which ingredients that you really want for your skincare and which ingredients you want to include in your skincare routine. So that is a very straightforward point without any false claims or something like that, and kudos to the brand for this one. Now about the application of this serum, you can always use it AM PM, that's not a problem at all. Instead, niacinamide using twice daily is very beneficial. Now there is one thing that I want to tell you guys, that when you apply this serum, it foams up a little bit for about 10-20 seconds maybe, but it's just that. But if you rub it and massage it, it will foam up, but if you just pat it in your skin like the way it should be done, it does not foam up. And that foaming is not like a face wash or a cleanser or something like that. It's a very gentle foaming, and it just sinks into your skin in 10 seconds barely. But I would highly suggest you pat your skincare and not rub it. Once you pat it, it sinks into your skin in like 20-30 seconds maximum. That's the maximum that I'm telling you. Now during 1 month of me using this product, I'm gonna list down some points that I felt in my skin. One, the scar that I had has faded away like it was never there, but I got new ones because of changing in places, because I was on a vacation, and maybe oily food that I always have, and junk food or something like that. There are a million reasons why you can get an acne. I got new acne, yes, they healed a lot more quicker than usual, a big yes, because niacinamide is an amazing skin healer. You will not believe how magically it heals your skin. So my previous scars were all gone except for one. All of them are gone. and I got 2-3 more new ones which are also fading away eventually. Now skincare is not magic. Skincare is not something that one day you have scars and the next morning you wake up with no scars. That's not gonna happen. This is a very consistent process. You have to be patient, you have to give it time, give it at least 1 month to see changes. I have felt that my skin feels super smooth and soft and gentle, and the pores are also minimizing, and my skin is not oily like it used to be before. And I am totally in love with how my skin is performing with niacinamide, especially with the healing abilities. I give it 10 on 10 for that. Niacinamide is a must have for every skincare routine. I am a super duper oily skin type person, and my oily skin has just not been oily since a really long time. My sebum production is under control, and when your skin is less oily, you tend to not break as much as you would. It's only few days and I have felt my skin firm, glowy and super soft and smooth, and I would love to keep using this forever. I would love to include niacinamide in my skincare routine forever, and I would highly suggest for all of you also to give it a try. I know there are lots of brands that manufacture niacinamide serum in India, like Minimalist and Dermaco and all, and I have also done a few research on them, but they are not as effective as the Ordinary, because we all know how good Ordinary is at serums and toners and these kind of skincare products. I would highly recommend you to give it a try. There are lots of Instagram pages who sell them. I will link down a few in my description box below so you can check them, because there are a few fake ones as well and I do not want you to get trapped in them. Now we are going to see my before and after pictures of using niacinamide. That's how changes I have felt in my skin after using this one for 1 complete month. In case you have felt that the changes are not very satisfactory or there are not very big changes, but I can feel that my skin has recovered 60% or at least 50%, and I am still on the way. I am still looking forward to finish this bottle, and I'll be posting a part 2 video after I finish this bottle, because I want you guys to see what kind of changes niacinamide brings to skin. Highly recommend this one. So guys, that was my short little review on the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% serum. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give my video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content, and do not forget to hit the bell icon under this video, because I'm gonna come up with lots of skincare, hair care and makeup related videos that you don't wanna miss. Stay tuned. See you soon. Bye bye.